A for apple, apple means save. B for ball, ball means game. C for cat, cat means billy. D for dog, dog means kutta. E for elephant, elephant means hathi. F for fish, fish means machli. G for goat, goat means bakri. H for hen, hen means murgi. I for ice cream means ice cream. J for jaguar, jaguar means jaguar. K for kite, kite means patang. L for lion, lion means sher. M for mango, mango means aam. N for neck, neck means ghosla. O for owl, owl means ullu. P for parrot, parrot means tota. Q for queen, queen means rani. R for rat, rat means chooha. S for sun, sun means suraj. T for tree, tree means ped. U for umbrella, umbrella means chhata. V for violin, violin means violin. W for watch, watch means ghadi. X for x-ray, x-ray means x-ray. Y for yarn, yarn means dhaga. Z for zero, zero means zero.